What's up, squad? Welcome back to the channel where we turn wild market swings into straight-up wins. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell, because today, we're cracking open this epic BTC USD perpetual futures chart from Bybit, timestamped right around October 6th, 2025, with Bitcoin chilling at a rock-solid $125,197.73. That's up a juicy 1.99% in the last 24 hours. Folks, volume exploding to 15.34 billion bucks, with a high of $125,200 and a low dipping to $122,160. This isn't just some sleepy Sunday stroll. This is Bitcoin flexing like it's prepping for the main event. We're talking a 2-month roller coaster from late July to mid-September, and I'm hyped to walk you through why this setup screams opportunity for us American hustlers stacking sats. No fluff, just fire, let's roll. Picture this, the main candlestick arena is your battleground. Spanning from July 30th to September 17th, 2025, we're on what looks like a 1-hour timeframe vibe, packed with those classic green and red bars showing the price action. Bitcoin kicked off around that $105,010 mark back in late July. Think of it as the calm before the storm, dipping into some consolidation like it was catching its breath after a summer barbecue. But oh man, by early August, boom, those candles start stacking green, pushing up through resistance like a freight train. You see those bullish hammers and dojis. They're teasing buyers in, volume spiking as whales pile in. Fast forward to mid-August, and we're breaking out hard, slicing through the $115K zone with conviction. It's like Bitcoin woke up, remembered it's the king of crypto, and decided to moon toward $125K by September. The 24-hour range? Tight as a drum, only about $3K swing, which tells me smart money's accumulating without freaking out the retail crowd. This ain't random, it's a textbook uptrend, baby, with higher highs and higher lows painting a picture of relentless demand. Now zoom in on those moving averages. They're the guardrails keeping this rally on track. That golden 7-period EMA at $121,145. It's hugging the price from below like a loyal sidekick, while the 25-period at $116,623 is curving up smooth, acting as dynamic support. Don't sleep on the 50-period EMA at $115,202. It's been a bouncy castle for dips all summer. But the real MVPs, the 100-period at $112,961 and 200-period at $107,825. Both sloping upward like they're aiming for the stars. Price is dancing way above them. Folks, no death cross in sight, just pure golden cross energy from earlier this year. On the right edge, you've got those extension lines teasing $126,207 and $125,977, hinting at the next leg up if we close strong. It's like the charts whispering, "Hold tight, patriots, this bull's got more gas in the tank." Over on the right panel, the Bollinger Bands are squeezing like they're about to explode. Price kissing the upper band at $125,877, with the middle at $122,446, and lower at $119,016. That's volatility coiling up, ready to unleash a breakout. SARS flipping bullish below price at $101,024, and AVL's steady at $94,550. Confirming no major selling pressure. Volume's the cherry on top. That yellow histogram's pumping higher on up days, dwarfing the downs, with MACD stealing the show down below. The MACD lines crossed bullishly above the signal at 1.326. Histogram bars stacking positive like poker chips. Divergence. Nah, just acceleration. DIF at 2.470 over DEA at 1.50. One means momentum's revving, not fading. And RSI clocking in at 88.3 on the 6-period overbought territory. Sure, but in a raging bull like this, it's the "I'm not selling, you sell" signal. We've seen this before, think 2021, when RSI hit 90 and Bitcoin ripped another 50% higher. No breakdown here, just a beast pausing to roar. Wrapping this visual feast, the bottom pains a momentum party. Volume bars green and growing. MACD histogram flipping positive mid-August and never looking back. DIF line pulling away from DEA like it's in a drag race. RSI's dipping from overbought peaks, but bouncing off 60, healthy pullback. Not panic. From $105K lows to $125K highs. That's a 19% grind higher over 2 months. With minimal wickouts, this chart's not whispering. It's yelling institutional FOMO is real. ETFs are gobbling BTC like Thanksgiving turkey. Fed whispers of rate cuts got Wall Street drooling. And with US elections heating up, Bitcoin's the hedge every portfolio needs. Realistic talk. Yeah, we've had those intraday wobbles, dips to $119K tested nerves, but each one's been bought aggressively. No major red flags, just a coiled spring in a risk-on world. Price prediction, where's this rocket headed next? All right, high-energy crew, let's talk future stacks. Based on this chart's screaming bullish bias, technicals aligning like the stars for July 4th, and the macro tailwinds, ETFs inflows hitting records, having glow-up still fresh. I'm calling it, Bitcoin's not done climbing. Short-term, expect a consolidation around $124K, $126K this week. Those EMAs are begging for a quick retest before blast-off. By end of October 2025, if volume holds and RSI cools without cracking 50, we're eyeing $130K, $135K easy. That's a 5 to 8% pop from here, fueled by seasonal October strength, historically BTC's second-best month. Push that out to Q4 close. $140K, $150K feels locked in, with upside surprises if Trump vibes or ETF approvals drop. Longer play into 2026. Analysts like Bernstein and Van Eck are penciling $180K, $200K by mid-year, assuming no recession curveballs. But hey, one bearish voice like Bloomberg's Mike McGlone muttering $10K crash. That's fear-mongering noise. Ignore it, the data's too bullish. Bottom line for you stars and stripes traders. This chart's your green light to hodl or dollar cost average those dips. Risk management's king. Set stops below $122K. Targets at $130K. What's your play? Drop it in the comments, like if you're bullish AF, and share with your crypto crew. Until next time, stay savage, stack smart, and remember, in Bitcoin we trust. Peace out.